Hello, welcome to my presentation about 3D printing packaging of photovoltaic cells for energy autonomous embedded sensors. We know one of the many problems when it comes to robotics is power consumption. Power consumption in some areas are really high, especially when it comes to actuation. In order to solve this problem, we need to have new systems that are able to have energy harvesting capabilities. One of them are photovoltaics. Photovoltaic systems are really fragile and they need to be protected in some way or form. In this work we use 3D printing transparent PLA to use as covers with different thicknesses. We used 1mm, 2mm and 5mm thickness of transparent PLA and we used it as covers. We observed the reduction of energy harvesting capabilities of the photovoltaic and we are presenting it here. These photovoltaics are charging two lithium-ion batteries that are located in the interior of the robotic arm. When it comes to measurements, we tried 5 conditions. One was completely uncovered, one was completely covered, and then we tried the 3D printed covers, the 1mm, 2mm and 5mm thicknesses. When it comes to the results, we've seen that all 5 conditions have maximum output of 0.41 voltage. The maximum power we could generate was 43 milliwatts. When it comes to the reduction, we've seen 17%, 24.4% and 47.3% for the 1mm, 2mm and 5mm covers respectively. The 1mm cover has the least effect on the photovoltaic performance and therefore was used for this demonstration. The 1mm cover can generate 36.4 milliwatts. This is enough to power 10 ultra-low power ICs. Those devices can also be used as a sensor for ambient light. Thank you so much for taking an interest in this poster.